Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and that's me Orgho Maiti, nutritionist, fitness trainer and a life coach. So today I am going to start with another subject, that is fitness, and the topic is why you should run. So here I am going to talk about the 6 benefits of running, and thereafter you can understand the running how much is beneficial for our health. So the first one is running helps in burning calories. Okay, so how it does, uh, when we run, so definitely that time we burn our calories around 100 calories we can burn per hour in an average. I'm talking about if your weight is more, that time your calorie burning rate will be more. Okay, so definitely this one helps us to maintain our body weight, and those are in weight loss program, and this thing is very much useful for them as well. Okay, number 2, uh, it helps to increase the lean mass. Okay, so lean mass, what is called lean mass? Lean mass actually, uh, out of fat, whatever rest of is there, like skeletal muscles, our organs, okay, blood, so everything comes under that. Okay, so it helps to increase our lean mass. So it, when we are running, so that time it burns calories, it burns calories as well as it also burns fats. Okay, so it helps to increase our lean mass, okay, skeletal muscles and all. Then number 3, it helps to increase our VO2 max. Okay, so now what is VO2 max? VO2 max actually the rate of oxygen that we are consuming, okay, for that point of time. At the same time, that amount of oxygen we transport in our body in that point of time when we are in that activity and all. So these are the measurements, uh, is called VO2 max actually. Okay, so definitely it helps us, this running helps us to increase this VO2 max. So as much as oxygen we can consume, at the same time the amount of oxygen, if gets increased and transport well enough in our body, so that time definitely our body works more efficiently. Okay, so this VO2 max is very important, and by this running we can increase our VO2 max. Okay, so number 4, running helps to regulate your cholesterol level. Okay, so how it helps us, uh, if you do running, so in that in this way it will help us to reduce our bad cholesterol level and increase our good cholesterol level. Okay, and this is bad cholesterol level, it means LDL. Okay, low dense lipid. At the same time, increase HDL, I mean good cholesterol, that is high dense lipid. Okay, so definitely all we know that good cholesterol level that should be maintained for our healthy body, and therefore we need to also maintain our bad cholesterol level. Okay, so running helps in there to reduce our bad cholesterol and increase our good cholesterol level. Okay, then number 5, it also increase our bone density. Okay, due to running, it's a weight bearing exercise. Okay, our legs bearing our whole body weight. Okay, so in this way it helps to makes our bones more dense, okay, and more stronger. Okay, then number 6, it improves our physiological health. Okay, running helps to reduce our stress, at the same time improve our mood, okay, and makes us more active. Also it helps us to reach out to our tangible goals and gives us more satisfactions and feel good factor, isn't it? So definitely there are many physiological health aspects is there, that is very much related with our physiological exercises and all. So in this context, running is one of those primal physiological exercise. So from there we can get many benefits. Okay, so after this, all I can say, these are the 6 benefits of running, main benefits. And here now it is very clear to you how much running is important. So definitely start thinking how you should start your running, and follow this channel. I am going to give you more guidance by doing such videos for you guys. So keep watching this channel, and whatever you want to know from me about fitness from today onwards, must comment below. And also you can follow me in Twitter. Okay, I'll give you the link in description below. So from there you can also ask me and contact to me, and I'll definitely bring the subject for you that will help you to get a good knowledge and guidance to start your running regime. So that's all for now. Until the next one, stand in fear with confidence. Goodbye and take care.